Weather Service in Charleston has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles, including Grays Reef National Marine Sanctuary. Waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, extending from 20 nautical miles to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Calabogie Sound to near St. Catherine Sound, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 35 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Buoy BL, Doughboy Sound Buoy D, Betsy Ross Reef, Tugs and Osqua, Fripp Island Reef, Latex Barge, Buoy DH, CAT Buoy, 110° Olympic Buoy, Grays Reef Buoy, Wausau Sound Buoy, Gaskin Banks, Gaskins Bank Wreck, Calabogie Sound, Savannah River Entrance, CCA Buoy, Altamaha Sound, Port Royal Sound, Johnsburg, St. Helena Sound. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.